Hey guys, Dan from Alliance Contracting here. Today I'm going to upgrade the headlights on the white work truck Silverado. On the high country, even in the daytime, you can see how much brighter these LED lights are compared to the lights on your work truck with the LT package. These headlights at night are at best very underwhelming. So what you're going to do is get yourself some LED H11 bulbs. I got a Reno brand off Amazon. Then you're going to want to take a T15 Torx wrench, screwdriver, and take out 5 of the lower fasteners to pull back this felt liner. I turned my wheels to the right, and when I go to the passenger side, I'll turn the wheels to the left just to clear this lower fastener. Then you're going to want to pull this wheel liner back, and then there's these rubber plugs. You pull those off, and you can go through those little access holes to the headlamp assembly, and you can pull out the bulb and disconnect them. Then put everything back together the same way it came out, and I want you to see the difference. Look at that. That's the LED bulb, and there's the factory halogen. What a difference. Should give me a lot better vision at night, because like I said before, this truck was not great. The high country's awesome, but that has the factory LED lights and has the LED daytime running lights, a little fancier truck. But I'm really happy so far. I can't wait to drive this at night. This should be a worthwhile upgrade, a safer upgrade. So the passenger side we're going to do just the same way. Takes about 5 minutes per side if you got all the tools ready and you know what you're doing. So hopefully this video gives you some quick insights on how to do that, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.